Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to be replacing the Momentum GT air filter on the Jeep. So this is the AFE Power Momentum GT. So I'm going to swap out the air filter, clean it, and then I'll be replacing it with a new one. So this is a dry air filter. So I pretty much picked up this dry clean filter cleaner from AFE. There's also a wet or oil air filter, but this is a dry one. That one requires different steps. So I'm gonna be replacing, taking this one off, cleaning it, putting this one on as a backup, and that way when it's time to change it out again, I have a clean one, and then pretty much vice versa. So for this one, pretty much get yourself a 8 millimeter. We're gonna take this bolt off. From there, the intake box should be able to come off, and then we'll head inside, spray the cleaner, get that all cleaned up, and then replace the new one. It's gonna be a little quick video. Also, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys didn't check out the last video I recently installed RIP coil packs. So yeah, I have a video on that if you guys want to check that out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. But let's get into this video. All right, so as you can see, this is the old one, the one that's pretty much I'm gonna be cleaning hella dirty, versus the new one pretty much going to be putting on. The goal, obviously, with the cleaner and everything is to make this one look like this one, and then like I said, once this one gets dirty, at least this one will be clean, ready to go. If you don't have a backup filter, AFE recommends once you clean it, don't drive your vehicle for about 24 hours. That way the air filter could dry. But since we drive the Jeep somewhat so often, that's the whole reason why I end up getting a replacement filter, pretty much like a backup filter, so that way I'm not on no downtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and start saturating this with the cleaner, and then pretty much put this one on and be good to go. But yeah, let's get this saturated. We'll go inside, rinse this down, see how dirty the water is, and then we'll pretty much go from there.
Back on rap shit you can't try now. Used to pray my friends would give support, but I'm fine now. Public, I don't really say too much, but the grind's loud. Truth is I never wife her up, but we lie down. How you say you love me when the love seeming inconsistent? Harder to forgive in my heart when I hold resentments. Closer than my fan, read my mind, you a finished sentence. But I'll take the blame, please forgive me, I say repentance. Hope your newest nigga can't prepare for dishonesty. Sweet little lies, chocolate covered in modesty. Playing with my mind, you too good at psychology. But take that up with God, I don't need no apologies. Yeah.
Alright, so we got the replacement air filter in there. That one's clean. The other one, pretty much letting that one dry up. So now to put everything back together. I don't know where my tripod is, so I'm gonna try to do everything with one hand, which most likely is gonna be hard, but let me get this mounted in, and then we'll go from there. All right, so that's pretty much it. The air filter is pretty much back in its place. Like I said, it was just a quick video to show you guys how to clean the AFE dry filter air filter. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. But yeah, before we head out, let's get this hood closed up, and let me give you guys a little cold start, man. Let's get it. But yeah, man, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, stay updated on the latest videos. Without further ado, catch you guys next time. Stay safe out there. Much love.